Traditional spoked wheels on this late model, low mile Harley-Davidson product. What we have here is a 2016 Harley FLS Softail Slim in color vivid black. I said late model, low miles, 2016, 2 years old, under 800 miles. I'm going to hit that again, make sure you see it. 754 miles as of this moment. This particular specimen in color vivid black. It's a 2016, so it has the 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, 6-speed transmission, and seriously, almost zero wear and tear with 754 miles and priced at $15,500, and is available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos between Vista and Escondido.